Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install NordVPN on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. To install NordVPN, simply open any browser and search for NordVPN and open the link from nordvpn.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here from the menu, simply click on Download VPN option. Select your operating system. Now click on Download App option and it will download the installer file. Once the download has been completed, simply open it. Here we have the installation window. Let me minimize the browser. Here click on Continue. Select the destination where you want to install the application. Then click on Continue. Now here click on Install. Now enter your system password. Then click on Install Software. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply close the window. Now if you want to delete the installer file, simply click on Move to Trash. Now you will get this kind of window. Here simply click on Accept. Then click on Close button to close the window. Now here we have the NordVPN interface. To use it, you have to log in to NordVPN account. If you have an account, you can simply click on Login, or else you can simply set up the account. However, for that, you have to get a premium subscription for NordVPN. I have discount coupon for you. If you click the link provided in the description box, you will get 72% off on your NordVPN subscription. Once you have NordVPN account, click on Login and log in with your NordVPN account. Here click on Allow. After that, you are ready to use NordVPN. Now to connect to VPN, simply select your location, click on it, and it will get connected to the server. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.